Hi, this is Alex. I found out about Keep It Fresh on Facebook. Decided to give it a go and get my car nano coated. It's 2004 CLK 500 Mercedes. I was just amazed of what a good job the boys at Keep It Fresh did, and the car looks like new. So they take care of my car now for my fortnightly washes of the car, inside, outside. Amazing customer service, absolutely highly recommended business. I don't know, I'm speechless. When I saw the car first time after they did the coating, I could not believe it. It looked like just came out of the shop, brand new. So thumbs up to Keep It Fresh.